Hello Amazon shoppers, it's Amy with 911 Studios. You guys, we are talking about toothbrushes tonight, and this is the toothbrush to get if you are somebody who just wants to set it and forget it and not have to worry anymore. This is the Oral-B 3000 3D. You guys, this does it all. You're gonna have 3 different modes for whitening, for regular cleaning, for a gentle gum massage mode to really take care of your gums as well as your teeth, and a gentle cleaning mode. So if you have any sort of sensitivities going on, this is great for you as well. This has a timer, and it also has that nice 30-second little like buzz reminder, so you know when to switch quadrants of your mouth. I love that feature. I just always feel like that keeps me on track. This is also going to slow down and have an indicator light whenever you press too hard on your gums, which is super important as well. As you are cleaning and taking care of your gums, you definitely don't want to do any damage. You want to keep them safe, and you know, with an electric toothbrush, if you are pressing too hard, that cannot be a good thing for your gums. So definitely this is a great feature to have, so you know that you're safe and you're protected, and your toothbrush is going to be super smart and slow down whenever you need to. This also connects to the Oral-B app, so you have you know, just a track of keeping on top of making sure you're in your routine, you're getting every single quadrant of your mouth clean, and you know, create good habits and just stay on top of everything. This is also super cool because it connects to Amazon Dash, so that way whenever it is time to get a new brush head, it automatically orders one and delivers it for you, so you don't even have to worry about replacing those brush heads, using an old one, using one that is kind of frayed and gross or gonna damage your mouth. None of that anymore. It's going to automatically order you a new one, and you will have that for you. Is also really great because the battery lasts up to 10 days. So again, this is just the toothbrush for anyone that wants to make sure, you know, you've got an app to track your progress. You have all of these indicators and sensors to make sure you're getting every quadrant, you're not brushing too hard, you're brushing long enough, all that stuff. It's going to take care of it for you. It's even going to order you a new brush head and have a long-lasting battery, so you can be brushing you know, for over a week in between charges. It's pretty awesome. Go ahead and put this in your cart. You're going to be super glad that